Hi, I'm Tony Briggs with the American Red Cross from the Desert to the Sea region, and I'm here at Manheim Riverside, which is one of the stops that we've made today in our grand tour. Manheim has been wonderful in the fact that they've not only donated a truck for the Red Cross for our disaster response, but they've also collected and put together comfort kits for those people who are affected by fires, for people who are in our shelters from flooding, and it's just a wonderful thing.
It's about our way to give back to the community and just support those that support us.
If you would like to help, please go to our Facebook page, which is Red Cross DTS, or go to redcross.org/donate.